Oh, okay.
Good morning. This is call number 2022-19852 in the interest of Israel, Dorian, and Bianca Rocha. Parties and witnesses, please raise your right hands to be sworn. Do you solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? So help you God.
Yes.
All right, ma'am. Please state your name and your relationship to the children.
Patricia Rocha, and I'm their mother.
All right. Representing the Attorney General, State of Texas.
Luis Regla.
Court will note that the non-custodial parent, Salvador Galvan Rocha, is not present. He was personally served on April 27th, 2022 at 8:01 a.m. at 4250 Highway 202 Garza West Unit in Beeville, P County, Texas. He's not filed an answer or made an appearance. Is that correct, Mr. Regla?
That's correct, Judge.
We'll proceed by default.
Thank you, Judge. I'll call the mother as a witness. Ma'am, you and the
Yes.
father in this case, Mr. Salvador Rocha, had the 3 children after y'all got married, correct?
Yes.
Okay, and up to today, y'all have no plans of filing divorce, is that correct?
No, sir.
Okay, and so going forward, eventually when he gets out of prison, you agree that the court should appoint the 2 of you joint managing conservators and for you to determine where the kids live, is that right?
Yes.
Okay, and do you expect that when he does get out, y'all will be able to reconcile and he can move back in with you whenever that happens in the
Yes.
future? Okay.
That's what we want to do. Yes.
Okay. Anyhow, since he is currently incarcerated and he has a projected release date that could be all the way up to 2029, I believe, according to the Department of
Yes.
Correction website, he has no income while he's remaining in prison. Is that all true?
Yes.
Okay, and based on that lack of income and his incarceration, we're proposing to set his income at $0 at this time. Is that right?
Yes.
Your kids are medicated. Is that true?
Yes, they are.
Okay, and given his incarceration at this time, you're not requesting, or you're requesting child support to be set according to guideline, which would be $0 a month, and the Medicaid payment at $0 a month. Is that all correct?
Yes.
Okay, you're not asking for any kind of back child support retroactively. Is that true?
No. No.
Okay, and do you think today's court order is in the best interest of your kids?
Yes, sir.
And you're asking the court to grant today's court order.
Yes.
Judge, I'll pass the witness.
All right. The court will approve the order submitted. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Parties excused.
Thank you, Judge.
I see that.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am. You can disconnect whenever you're ready. Have a nice day.
All right. Okay. Thank you so much.
Goodbye, ma'am.
Okay. Bye bye.
Their service on the mother?
Yes, Judge, I was able to find on, let me pull it back up.
I have the citation.
Yes, the file stamp that I found was 12/28/2020,
12/28, let me see.
and I had to scroll to the bottom, basically.
12/28/2020?
Yes, Judge, for Cassandra Dion Valdez.
I don't have that in file. Will you look for that one, Maria?
Are you able to see the fathers, Judge?
I've got the fathers.
Okay. I think hers was called
I'm sorry?
the citation precept.
Oh,
return of son.
2024-3300. 12/28, proposed order setting here in citation. Oh, let's see, no. Yeah, 12/28. Oh, way down here.
Yeah.
Let's see. This is on Cassandra Valdez. No. Yeah. The one on the bottom. Okay. Order setting hearing. Okay, that's gonna have to be the top. Hold on. Oh, there it is. Okay. All right, this case number 2024-3300 in the interest of Leah Torres. Court will note that the mother is not present. She was personally served on December 6, 2020 at 4:44 p.m. She's not filed an answer or made an appearance. Is that correct?
That's correct, Judge.
All right, and then somehow I've messed up this other one. Had it up here earlier. Go. Okay, court will also note that the father, John Robert Franco, is not present. He was personally served on April 29th, 2022. And he's not filed an answer or made an appearance. Is that correct, Mr. Regla?
That's correct, Judge.
We'll proceed by default.
Thank you, Judge. And Judge, do you also have the DNA test results in this case?
Yes, I do.
Okay, Judge. I'd also like to offer those test results into evidence and ask that they be admitted. It should be marked as State's Exhibit 1, Judge.
All right, State's Exhibit 1 is admitted, and that exhibit would indicate that the alleged father, John Franco, is not excluded as the biological father of the tested child, Leah Torres.
Thank you, Judge. State is proposing that the court grant this default order establishing the parent-child relationship against both Cassandra Dion Valdez and against John Robert Franco. The DNA test results resulted from the last time this case was filed. It eventually got DWAPed because they weren't participating. We obtained the DNA test results from that prior case that eventually got DWAPed. Now that those have been admitted, Judge, I'm asking the court to proceed and go ahead and establish that this man is the biological father of the child in this case. I am not proceeding on the issues of name change, conservatorship, possession, and access, any of the support issues, any of those topics at this time, because I don't have the parties here to testify as to that evidence. So I'm only proceeding with the establishment of parent-child relationship. I ask the court to grant this default order today, and I have nothing further, Judge.
All right, the court will approve the order submitted. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.